Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're out in the garden or in the yard, and I want to show you a little something as we're walking here. Excuse me. As you see right here, this is a palette that I have, just a regular palette, and I love the way that it complements the yard. And what I'm doing is I'm going to use this palette to show you how to have a hanging vegetable wall, or you may want to use it as a hanging flower bed. Okay guys, first thing first, as you can see, there's this little rack here that I have, this white rack. I actually purchased this from Dollar Tree. As you can see, it's just marketed as, I believe, a over-the-door hanger rack, as you can see. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this over ever so nicely. I'm going to hang that over on the palette. Next one I have are these little bowls here, and I found them at a little store, Dirt Sheet, but you can probably find them anywhere, little pots. The important thing is to make sure that they have these things over him, which you can just slip over, and I slipped them right over these ends right here so that they can hang over there, and they're very secure to hang over the sides. And now you have 3 pots that securely hang over. Now mine are going to be vegetable as well as plants, but we'll show you exactly how that looks when you have things in them. Okay guys, so you see that I have placed in some flowers here. These are little coleus. This is a mixture of coleus. Okay guys, this is a mixed variety of wandering Jew, coleus, and little purple heart back there. And this is of course just a coleus that I have taken out and the need to attach. And then of course I put down, as you can see, a second rack, and then buckets as well. There's nothing in those, but it's just to show you how exactly, just to keep continuing. What I'll be putting in, like I said, is more likely to be some fruits. I have some squash, vegetables, fruits, tomatoes, things like that to go in the buckets. But it's just showing your hanging wall for your flowers and your plants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, comment, share. And if you're new to the channel, thank you and welcome back. See you later. Bye.